Kinetochore is a specialized structure that is formed during the cell division in the centromere of each chromosome. If a chromosome failed to produce kinetochore, then the attachment of microtubules cannot have occurred in the chromosome, and it ultimately leads to the non-disjunction of those chromosomes, and ultimately the cell division is hampered. Hello friends, welcome to Biology Concern. I am Animesh. In this video, I am going to discuss about the kinetochore structure, that is the molecular structure of kinetochore, and which proteins are included in the formation of kinetochore, and what is the actual work of kinetochore, and how it produces a specialized structure which is a multi-protein complex, and how it facilitates the attachment of spindle fiber with the kinetochore. So let's jump into the topic. First, if you observe the structure of chromosomes here, this is the centromere structure. So this is a centromere structure. Centromere actually consists of a several repetitive units. Here, in case human centromere, the repetitive unit or repetitive nucleotide is adenine and thymine. So adenine and thymine makes a particular repetitive sequence, and it curl the chromosome in a way that it produces centromere. Okay, and in the centromere, when the cell goes into the division, then the formation of kinetochore actually takes place. So first thing, in human chromosomes, centromere contains a tandem repeat of 171 DNA sequences called alpha satellite DNA. So those tandem repeats, that is the 171 DNA sequences tandem repeats, are called as alpha satellite, and those alpha satellites are extend at least 500 kilobase in the chromosome. So here, in case of chromosome, this is the repeats of alpha satellite. One after one, those repeats are present in the chromosomes or particular centromere in a way so it can produce a alpha satellite repeat. So these repeats are actually adenine and thymine repeats, specifically adenine and thymine repeats. Those adenine and thymine repeats are helped to produce a 171 DNA sequences called alpha satellite DNA. So alpha satellite DNA is actually a repetitive DNA unit which is found only in the kinetochore or in the centromere where kinetochore is formed. Next thing, centromeric chromatin contains a unique H3 histone variant known as CNPA. That is the main essential unit to forming a kinetochore. CNPA stands for centromere protein A. It stands for centromere protein A. That means we actually studied about the nucleosome structure, right? In nucleosome structure, there is a histone proteins present, H2A, H2B, H3 and H4. In this case, here in the centromere region, the unique H3 complex or H3 protein, histone protein, does not found. But in case here, a variant of H3, that is the CNPA, centromere protein A, this is the present in this case of centromere. But in this case, the actual H3 does not occur. Okay, and in H3 is replaced by CNPA, which is a replaced conventional H3 in mammals. So actually CNPA, centromere protein A, replaced the H3 that in mammals. So conventional H3 in mammals, it replaced the conventional H3 in mammals. Next thing, CNPA serves as a platform for the assembly of kinetochore. So if we observe those structure, this is the zoom in structure or more brief structure of those particular point. Here in particularly observe three distinct portions, two in the sides, that is known as pericentromeric heterochromatin portion, and in the middle this is called as centromeric heterochromatin region. So in this case, in case of centromere, here the three structure is present, that is a two pericentromeric heterochromatin and one centromeric heterochromatin present. Here inner kinetochore plate and outer kinetochore plate also present, and this is the total structure of kinetochore, where from the outer kinetochore plate some filaments are produced, that is known as fibrous corona or corona fiber. Okay, and microtubules, that is shown in red here, those microtubules are attached with those corona fibers with outer kinetochore plate. Here several proteins mediate a crucial role to forming of the kinetochore region. Okay, in this case, in case of outer plate, we observed NDC80 protein or HEC1 protein, NUF2, SPEC24, SPEC25, BUB1, CNPE, CDC20, APC, EB1, Dynein, ZWINT1, PP1, CNPF, and many more proteins in this case of outer kinetochore plate. But in case of inner kinetochore plate, we observed that CNPA, CNPC, CNPG, CNPH, CNPI or Mis6 and CEKNL1 protein variants are present in the outer kinetochore plate. In case of centromeric heterochromatin region, here CNPB, MCAK, INCNP, Aurora B and Survivin, those proteins are actually present in this case of centromeric heterochromatin. If we zoom out the particular one microtubule portion, that is this portion, and zoom out this, so we observe here is the outer kinetochore plate from where NDC80 molecules or NDC80 proteins are actually produces, and it actually holds the microtubule. And from corona fiber, this is the black level structure is the corona fiber. From corona fiber, Dynein depolymerase and also CNPE is projecting towards the microtubule. Here depolymerase and Dynein also present in this case of microtubule structure, where microtubule is actually attached with the outer kinetochore plate. If we particularly zoom out this portion, and we observed several proteins that actually helps to make those kinetochore proteins. So this is the actual structure. In this case, microtubule is attached with the outer kinetochore remnant. Okay, so this portion, this total portion is outer kinetochore, this green marking portion is inner kinetochore, and this is the blue marking portion is centromeric heterochromatin. Here in this case of centromeric heterochromatin, CNPS and CNPX, so CNPW, CNPX and CNPS as present in this case of centromeric heterochromatin as well as CNPA. And in case of inner kinetochore, here you observe the inner kinetochore portion. In this case, CNPT, CNPC and CCAN. CCAN stands for constitutive centromere associated networks. Okay, so constitutive centromere associated networks, that is the CCAN, is responsible for making a viable attachment or a crucial attachment for the kinetochore proteins. Here Mis12 proteins are attached with the CNPC, and those Mis12s are actually binding with KNL1 proteins. So KNL1 and Mis12s produces a complex which facilitates the binding of CNPT and NDC80 proteins. So in this case, CNPT and NDC80 are helped binding together with the help of Mis12 and KNL1, and those KNL1 actually holds the microtubule, and it further helps the NDC80 molecule, NDC80 proteins to bind with those red colored microtubule present. Okay, and those NDC80 molecules are grabbing those microtubules from each of every 360-degree angle, and here SK1 complex, Ka complex present in case of mammals, but in case of Saccharomyces cerevisiae, that is DAM1 complex is present. So in case of Saccharomyces cerevisiae, DAM1 is present, and in case of human, here SCA complex is present. SCA complex actually works the scaffolding between two NDC80 proteins. So NDC80 proteins and CNPT facilitates the binding or crucial binding of microtubules with the outer kinetochore portion. Next thing is CNPA serves as a platform for the assembly of kinetochore. So if there is no CNPA, then the platform it does not serve as a platform, and it doesn't assemble a kinetochore portion. Next thing, chromosome is lacking CNPA, failed to assemble a kinetochore. CNPA is required for the recruitment of the inner kinetochore proteins, that is CNPC, CNPH and CNPI Mis6. So CNPA is very much essential, that is CNPA is very much essential to recruitment of Mis12, CNPC, CCAN, CNPT and all of these. The inner kinetochore composed of CCAN, that is constitutive centromere associated network, contains of CNPA, CNPT and CNPC. So CNPT, CNPC and CCAN also present in this case of CCAN, and CNPA is also present in this case of CCAN. CNPC can act as a mediator of CCAN and outer kinetochore protein. So CNPC here acts as a mediator between Mis12 outer kinetochore proteins, and here CNPC holds the CCAN and Mis12 of the outer kinetochore. So CNPC actually works as a mediator between CCAN and outer kinetochore proteins like KNL1, like Mis12, like SCA complex and like NDC80 proteins. CNPT also binds with the NDC complex, and here you must note there CNPT and Mis12 complexes are competing binding promoters or partners for NDC80 complex. So if there is no CNPT and Mis12, there is no CNPT and Mis12, so it does not facilitate the binding of NDC80 complexes. So in order to recruitment of NDC80 complexes, CNPT and Mis12s are very much essential to for the facilitation or for the binding of NDC80, which actually holds the microtubules together. NDC80 complex of the N-terminal basis residue, that is the KNL, have portions. So here KNL actually holds the microtubule in from N-terminal, and the C-terminal portion of KNL is binding with the Mis12 portions. Here NDC80's N-terminal is also binds with the microtubules, and C-terminal also binds with the CNPT's N-terminal portion or N-terminal residues. So I think this is the total video of the kinetochore molecular structure of the kinetochore. This structure, molecular structure of kinetochore, really helps you to understand what is kinetochore is, what is corona fiber, and what about those proteins. There are lots of proteins present in the kinetochore, in the formation of kinetochore, and it actually facilitates the binding of spindle fibers, that is the spindle attachment, that is the microtubule that is attached with those kinetochore portions, and it is really help you to understand those complex mechanism in a easiest way, that is the function of CNPT, CNPC, KNL1, Mis12 and SCA complex, NDC80, and here NDC80 plays a crucial role to holding that kinetochores or holding the kinetochores with the myotubules. Very much essential of NDC80 molecules are very much essential for those binding, and they actually particularly facilitate the binding of microtubules with the kinetochore portion. Okay, so I think that this video is helpful for you to understand the particular basis of kinetochore structure. And in case of spindle attachment, first thing, CNPE is first bind with the microtubule. It actually stabilizes the microtubule, and after that those KNL1, Mis12 and NDC80 complexes are formed, and these firmly grips those microtubule and holds the microtubule with kinetochore together. If you like that video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.